Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Linode API on Windows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Linode API on Windows, you'll first need to download and install Python if it's not already on your system. Visit the official Python website at python.org. Click on the Downloads tab and choose the version compatible with your Windows operating system. Run the installer and ensure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Once the installation is complete, open Command Prompt. To confirm the installation, type Python version and hit Enter. If Python is correctly installed, you will see the version number displayed. Next, you need to install the Linode API client. In Command Prompt, enter pip install linode_API and press Enter. The pip tool will handle the download and installation of the Linode API client. Once the installation is complete, you can verify it by typing pip show linode_API in Command Prompt. This will display details about the Linode API package. Next, you'll need to set up your API token for authentication. Log into your Linode account and navigate to the API Access section. Here, you can generate a personal access token. Make sure to copy this token as it will be required for accessing the API. Open a text editor and create a new Python file. In this file, you'll import the Linode API client using the following line, from linode_API import Linode API. Then, create a client instance with your API token like this, client equals Linode API, your _API token here. Now, you can start making API calls using this client instance. For instance, to list your Linode instances, use the command linodes equals client.linode.instances and print the results. Save your file and run it using the command prompt with the command python your _file_name. You should see the output of your Linode instances displayed in the console. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and used the Linode API on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.